If your sink is always full of dirty dishes and hand washing has become difficult, then it might be time for an upgrade. That's where a compact dishwasher comes in, but finding a portable or countertop dishwasher can be difficult than it seems. That's why I went through tons of models and narrowed down to the 6 best portable and countertop dishwashers that are worth buying. Not only do these dishwashers leave your dishes spotless, but they also save you time and make your everyday routine easier. You'll find links to the best prices for all the countertop dishwashers mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these dishwashers aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. This is the most budget-friendly countertop dishwasher on our list. This one is simple and saves you time without costing a lot. It has a 6-liter built-in water tank, so you don't need any kind of plumbing. You just pour in the water, close the lid, and run a cycle. But if you want to hook it to your faucet, it comes with the hose and the adapter for that too. For a small dishwasher, the inside is pretty roomy. It can fit a 10.5-inch plate, which a lot of mini dishwashers can't. That makes it perfect for a small apartment, dorm, RV, or anywhere with less space. You also get 5 wash programs: normal, rapid, hygiene, fruit, and glass. Plus, it has 2 more features: auto open drying and UV hygiene. The hygiene mode heats the water up to around 192 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for baby bottles or anything that needs a deeper clean. And at the end of a cycle, the door opens on its own and the built-in fan pushes out steam so your dishes come out dry faster. Also, it also saves a lot of water. Each wash uses only 6 liters, which is way less than hand washing. And the normal cycle uses about 0.35 kilowatt-hour, so it's gentle on energy too. For safety, you get a child lock, a leak protection system, and a clear window, so you can see everything while it's running. Overall, if you want something affordable, easy to set up, and spacious for its size, the Comfy fits the budget-friendly title. Number 5 is the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This is the most user-friendly countertop dishwasher on our list. If you don't want anything complicated, this one just makes life easier. It's small and fits on almost any counter, and you don't even need a water hookup. It comes with a 5-liter tank, so you can just pour the water in and run a cycle. But if you prefer using your faucet, it supports that too. This dishwasher fits dishes up to 12 inches, which is pretty generous for a compact unit. The setup is simple. There's an LED display with a few buttons, and that's it. You pick a cycle, close the door, and let it do the work. You get 5 wash programs: normal, baby care, glass, fruit wash, and a rapid cycle. So whether you want to clean your plates, sanitize baby bottles, or just rinse some fruit, it can handle all of that. It also uses way less water than hand washing, about 1.3 gallons for a cycle, so it's efficient too. Another thing I like is the drying system. After the wash, it pulls out moisture and helps keep odors away, so your dishes don't come out damp, and the extra filters inside keep everything running clean and smooth. Overall, if you want something small, simple, and reliable for your kitchen, RV, or apartment, this Farberware is the easiest to use without trying too hard. Number 4 is the Hermitlux Portable Mini Countertop Dishwasher. This is the most compact portable dishwasher on our list. This little machine does a lot for its size. It's small enough to fit on almost any counter, but the inside is set up smartly. You get room for 5 place settings, a cutlery holder, and even plates up to 10 inches if you angle them right. It's great for apartments, RVs, dorms, or anywhere you don't have space for a full dishwasher. Now, it has a 5-liter water tank. You don't need to hook it up to a faucet if you don't want to. Just fill the tank using the included jug and you're good. But if you prefer a faucet connection, it supports that too. It comes with 7 wash programs: standard, quick, strong, eco, fruit, self-clean, and glass, and has 3 additional options: delay start, child lock, and a dry mode. The delay option goes up to 18 hours, which is nice if you want to run it overnight or during cheaper power hours. It cleans really well with a 360-degree spray system and 14 jets that wash your dishes from the top and the bottom. It also saves around 5 liters of water per cycle, which is way less than hand washing. After the wash, you get 60 minutes of hot air drying and 72 hours of auto ventilation to keep everything fresh. Check out what Natawisha wrote. I got it hooked up permanently. I don't have to bend over and load and unload it, and easy to use. Also, it doesn't take up a lot of space. The dishwasher works well, has 10 different settings, and is durable. It's very nice. It does not leak, and the wash cycles are nice. It does hold all my dishes, and it's durable. It looks nice and cleans well. It comes with directions and instructions with illustrations. I love the light and its overall functionality. Overall, if you want something small, simple, and fully self-contained, this Hermit Luxe is a strong pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the countertop dishwashers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Danby DDW631 SDB Countertop Dishwasher. This is the best freestanding countertop dishwasher on our list. This dishwasher works great in small kitchens, dorms, or even a man cave setup. Even though it's small, it still fits up to 6 place settings and comes with a silverware basket so you can handle a full day's dishes without feeling cramped. I like that it's so easy to set up. You don't need tools or a long install. Just connect the included hose to most standard faucets using the quick connect adapter, plug it in, and you're ready. It uses only about 3.1 gallons of water per cycle, which helps cut down on water bills. It offers 6 wash cycles: intensive, normal, economy, rapid, glass, and soak. So whether you're washing plates from dinner or a bunch of cups after a game night, there's a mode that fits, and if you want the dishwasher to run while you're out, there's a delay start option as well. Overall, the Danby is the best large capacity countertop dishwasher because it fits more dishes than most compact models while staying efficient and easy to use. Number 2 is the GE Energy Star Stainless Steel Interior Portable Dishwasher. This is the best freestanding countertop dishwasher on our list. It's a full 24-inch portable dishwasher, but it can roll on 4 smooth casters. You can slide it around your kitchen or park it by the sink. Inside, everything is made of stainless steel, which helps with heat, drying, and long-term durability. You'll get 2 full-size racks, glasses, and cups on top, plates and bowls on the bottom, and a silverware basket. It also has a hard food disposer, so you don't have to scrape every little thing off your dishes before running a cycle. The wash settings include heavy, light, and auto sense. And if you want extra peace of mind, it has a sanitize option that raises the heat to kill germs. There's also delay start, so you can run it later when you want things quiet. Just connect the hose to your faucet, turn on the hot water, and start the cycle. When it's done, press the release button, unplug it, and roll it back. That's it. Overall, if you want a real dishwasher that doesn't need installation and cleans like a built-in model, this GE is the one that fits the best freestanding spot. Number 1 is the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. This is the best overall countertop dishwasher on our list. This dishwasher fits a lot for its size. You can load around 30 pieces at once, up to 4 place settings, and even 11-inch plates if you angle them correctly. The rack has spots for glasses, plates, and even a little basket for your forks and spoons. There's also a fold-down shelf if you want to stack smaller items. To run this, you can pour water straight into its 5-liter tank, or if you prefer, hook it up to your faucet with the included hose. Now, this one comes with 6 wash programs: normal, speed, soft, heavy, baby care, fruit, and dry. The spray arms hit from the top and bottom for a full 360-degree cleaning, and the heavy baby care mode heats up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for baby bottles or greasy dishes. After washing, the dry mode runs hot air for an hour and then keeps the inside ventilated for 72 hours so it doesn't smell musty. And if you're trying to save water, it only uses about 5 liters per cycle, which is way less than hand washing. And you can use pods, liquid, or powder detergent too. Here's what Karen wrote: "This little dishwasher does a better job than my full-size dishwasher did. It takes tea stains out of my cups, no scrubbing needed. I use Cascade liquid detergent with it. Everything fits. Sometimes I run 2 loads a day if I'm baking or cooking that day. It's so quiet, I can't even hear it run. Great machine. I'm so impressed." Overall, if you want a small dishwasher that's easy to set up, fits more than you expect, and actually cleans well, the Hava earns that best overall spot. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect countertop dishwasher. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each countertop dishwasher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.